Hi, this is Jimmy Stewart reminding you that your dial is set to the big sound all year round.
The big sound on radio.
Hi there, here's my record, dedicated to all the listeners at this spot on the dial from yours truly, Connie Francis.
Stupid Cupid, you're a real mean guy. Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me.
Stupid Cupid.
These are the voices of history.
To Trieste in the Adriatic, an iron curtain has descended across
the luckiest man on the face of the earth.
This is the voice of news.
A man has been jailed in Denton, Texas after commandeering a Trailways bus en route from Dallas to Wichita, Kansas. Armed with a gun, the suspect robbed 17 passengers and kidnapped 2 women in their cars before being captured. Expect more rain at times tonight, changing to showers early tomorrow. Showers will continue through Monday, and it'll be cool and breezy at times. It'll be partly cloudy and warmer on Tuesday and Wednesday and cloudy on Thursday.
Spinning, 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 the magic circle of all-time favorites. Who's in the magic circle now?
Hi, Jimmy Rogers is my name, and I have a song I'd like to sing. Ready? Here goes.
Well, when I was a young man and never been kissed, I got to thinking it over, how much I had missed. She had kisses sweeter than the wine.
This is Dean Martin speaking from the station with the big sound in radio.
The big sound of music and news at 9:30 on your radio dial. KENY Bellingham-Ferndale.
The sweet, sweet memories you gave of me. You can't beat the memories you gave of me.
Take sweet, sweet one fresh and tender kiss. Memories are made of this.
This is Gogi Grant. I'm very happy that so many people are requesting my records. You keep requesting and I'll keep singing. And here's one I hope you will enjoy.